Okay, so today we are not working on the Africa Twin because there is absolutely no maintenance to be done on it. These things are bulletproof, and I know you guys want to see more videos about this bike, but there's nothing left to do on it. There's nothing wrong with it. This thing is immaculate. I love it. Well, anyway, so today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2015 Toyota Tacoma, and it is a TRD off-road. They got turd written everywhere. They definitely want you to know it's a turd. Let's check this thing out. Slide on in here. Alright, today we have 42,734 miles on the odometer. Alright, go ahead and pop the old hood. There we go. Let's see what we got in here. Okay. So, oil was changed at 38.5. Ooh, that was lucky. We're going to go ahead and take this thing. It's a little hot. So there's a little rubber plug under here. I'm going to pull that bad boy out. Just going to set that off to the side. Check out, look at that. The thing is brand spanking new for 2015. Can't go wrong. Okay, well, anyways, let's get started on this. I'm going to start by draining the engine oil. I'm going to find myself a thing to drain the oil into. Got a lot of random canisters here. Okay, found myself a jar. So we're going to go ahead and put this underneath of this little nipple here. That's not going to work. Okay, utilizing mechanical advantage, go ahead and pop this loose. Said pop it loose. There we go. Turning with the other. Everything's hot. There we go. We're just gonna let that drain out. Okay. Okay, we got a little chunk right here. Okay, now we got that off. Go ahead and take the filter. What was the mileage on this again? 42,734. So we are going to write 4, 2, 7, 3, 4. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, running a paint stick marker inside of the truck here is a little sketch. Okay, I'm just gonna put some oil on the old seal here. Spinning around hand tight. There we go. Now for the rest. old brake lean. And I just erased the date and the mileage. Well, I'm going to redo that when that dries off. Okay, now that dried off, I went ahead and reapplied the markings on the oil filter. Everything's all cleaned up. Now we're going to take our little stopper. Man, I can't remember the name of anything today. Just going to go ahead and pop that back on down here. There we go. So we have that. Got our old oil filter. We're just going to go ahead and set that right here in this big old mess. Take this guy, slide that underneath. Then we got our torque wrench and our ratcheting wrench. Just gonna go ahead, slide on under here. Alright, let's see if we can get you guys into a good spot where you can see everything. I need a new tripod. This thing is not working out. Of this tripod. Okay, now we are ready to drop the old drain plug. Well, excellent, I just punched the drain pan all the way over here. Alright, there we go. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be hot. Oh God. There we go. See any color through there? No? Yeah, we were due. It was due for a change. So, I'm in a hurry to get this done. Running out of daylight, running out of decent weather. Winter's coming, and it's already here. Let that drain out. I'll get back with you guys here in a second. Alright, I think that's been enough draining for now. Go ahead and put this drain plug back in with a fresh washer. Tighten that by hand. Push that out of the way. Give everything a little wipe down here. Make sure nothing got on the skid plate or anything. Just kind of wipe down around the oil pan. You guys can't really see, but I'm going to give you a look at it after it's torqued. Alright, I'm using a clicker style inch-pound torque wrench. I've already exercised it, so in case anybody's wondering, it has been exercised. Alright, there we go. Noisy, loud noises. Oh my goodness. I can't see. I'm working by braille right now. There we go. Okay, one last little wipe down. I'm gonna grab this guy. Got it with me. Okay, guys, you're gonna have to be my eyes and tell me how this is looking. Does it look okay? I think it looks pretty good. Yep, it looks pretty good. I'll buy it. Alright. Always want to make sure your funnels are clean. There you go. Alright, so for this oil change, I am using Amazon Basics Full Synthetic 5W30 motor oil. I know some of you guys are like, oh my god, Amazon Basics. Well, you know, if you watch Project Farm like I do, you would see that this thing has surpassed everything else in all the comprehensive tests that they did. Let's go ahead and fill her on up. Just gonna go ahead and pull the old dipstick really quick. Do a sanity check. Nice and clean. All right, it's about halfway. So we got maybe another quart. I mean, the space between the two lines, that is typically 1 quart, but we also got to start it and get the oil all running through the system. And that's gonna take some of the oil out of the sump. So we can go a little bit over, but not much. You know, you never want to go too much. It's easier to put more in than it is to take it out. Alrighty. Let's do another status check. Ooh. Let's wipe that off and check it. So, I've been posting a lot of videos lately. I still have a lot of editing to do, but I've been really busy lately with work. You know, damn career's always getting in the way of our good time, am I right? Alright, so this is looking pretty good for now. I'm gonna start it, let it run for a bit, and then stop it, and then recheck that oil. Ooh, before starting it, let's go ahead and take this guy and stick that right there. I'm just gonna pop this cover back on. Got really bad luck with starting things without the oil caps on, so okay. All right, hands clean, everything's good. All right, let's go in and start this bad boy. Purrs like a kitten. But then again, it's a Toyota Tacoma with 42,734 miles on it. That ain't bad. It's pretty low. Should probably drive this more often. Okay, I'm gonna shut her down and do another oil check. I'm gonna wait a couple of seconds here. Pull the dipstick, let's get it wiped off and ready. Okay, 2 dots. So the distance between these 2 dots is typically 1 quart, and that's how it is for most vehicles. If your vehicle is different, then let me know in the comments. Let me know what it is. Because really, who am I? I'm just a guy in a garage with a camera. Alright, so we're going to need a little bit more. Let's go ahead and pop some more in there. It needs approximately a half quart. I think that's all we're going to get out of there, boys. Okay, so our jug is empty. Go ahead and grab some oil from the last oil change that I had left over, because I bought 2 of these bad boys last time, and then I was like, well, that's way too much. So I got some extras. So we're just going to put in a little bit more. Don't need a lot. There we go. That ought to do it. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm not really putting a lot of videos or content out lately. I've just been super busy and getting ready for a lot of life changes here. I've been kind of regretting not giving you guys more content, because I know some of you guys really like the Africa Twin. But as I said at the beginning of this video, that thing is bulletproof. Oh yeah, look at that. That is solid. So that is topped off. We are done with our oil change. Just got to put our cap back on. And you know, with a bike that's that reliable, with not that demanding of a maintenance schedule, it's kind of hard to have content unless you guys just want to watch me drive it around and wash it and enjoy it and have fun. But I don't know if you guys want to see that. But if you do, be sure to let me know, and then I'll just go ahead and start posting all my GoPro helmet cam footage and everything else that I get on it. So either way, I think that's gonna do it for this video. You know, thanks for watching. Sorry it wasn't more interesting. Didn't really make a huge mess. Got everything torqued up, got our oil drained, got a new filter installed, got everything cataloged. So I'm gonna go ahead and write this in the maintenance book and be done with it. But anyways, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe it. Leave me a comment, tell me, you know, some feedback. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if I can improve, or if there's something that you want to see, because I got this huge garage full of crap. Just look at this. This is just stuffed to the gills with just random shit. So if you guys want to see stuff on the Nova, let's do some stuff on the Nova. Datsun videos, I love the Datsun, I love working on it. I know it's got a really huge following, but the videos aren't doing so great. We also have our Surons over here. You know, we got two Suron LBX Black Editions. Those things are really fun to ride. I got a little track here on the property. But this thing, I mean, I can't really do much with it other than show you me riding it or washing it. There's nothing wrong with it. Well, anyways, yep, just let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you guys later.